In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy cryptos with Coinbase. Step-by-step tutorial. We'll go from opening your browser to completing a purchase, so you can follow along with confidence. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. Start by opening your browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official result that leads to Coinbase.com. Taking a second to verify the URL helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your account safe. Once the page loads, you should see the Coinbase home screen. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would and you'll land back on the home screen. From here, find and click the buy and sell option. This takes you to Coinbase's trading interface where purchases are made. On that screen, choose buy. You'll see an order ticket where you can select which asset to purchase and how you want to pay. For this walkthrough, select USDC. USDC is a US dollar-pegged stablecoin, which means its price is designed to stay close to $1. That makes it a straightforward example for learning the flow without worrying about rapid price swings. After choosing USDC, type in the amount you want to buy. You can switch between a dollar amount and a crypto amount if that's more comfortable. Next, select Pay With to choose your funding method. Coinbase supports options like bank accounts and cards, but will proceed with a bank account to keep fees typically lower. Then select your bank account from the list. If it's your first time and you don't see an account, Coinbase may guide you through securely connecting one. Otherwise, pick the account you've already set up. Keep in mind that bank transfers can have different processing times and limits. You'll now be back on the order screen with your asset, amount, and payment method filled in. Take a moment to check everything. The asset is USDC, the amount looks right for your budget, and the payment method is correct. Because USDC targets $1, the price should be close to $1, but fees will appear separately. Click Review Order. This summary shows the purchase amount, the Coinbase fee, and the total you'll pay. Double check the details. A quick pause here can prevent mistakes, especially like if you meant to buy a different amount or use a different payment method. When everything looks good, click Buy Now. Coinbase will process the order and show a confirmation. You'll see your new USDC balance in your portfolio, and you can view the receipt from the transaction details. That's it. You've successfully bought crypto on Coinbase.